Show and tell. Would you like to find out how I did this? Let me take you through the broad steps for achieving this. Open a background image and add other images. Use Move tool to move the image. Select the image using Polygonal Lasso tool or Magnetic Lasso tool. Remove unwanted background using Inverse and Clear function. Adjust the size and position using Free Transform. Are you ready? Let's start! I want to create a photograph of a deer running away from the lion in the grasslands. First, let me open the background image, the grassland. Don't you think the image is a bit small to work on? Simply select the option Fit on Screen so that the image occupies the entire workspace. This image is the base layer on which I will place the other two images of the lion and the deer. So let's open them. In order to create a composite, I need to have all images in the same file. To do this, click on Select and choose All. This will select the lion along with the entire background. The next step is to bring the lion on the background image. To do this, let me click on Edit and Copy. Next, to paste the lion on the grassland, go to the Window option and select the grassland.jpg file. Now I'm ready to paste the image of the lion here. You see the lion is now on the grassland? Don't you think the lion is a bit misplaced? To position it, let me use the Move tool. Do you see a new layer gets added automatically? We make changes in the new layer in order to protect the original image. Let me rename the new layer by double-clicking and typing lion. Let's select just the lion. Use the polygonal lasso tool and change the feather settings. Now that the selection is complete, let me remove the unnecessary background. I go to Select and choose Inverse. Next, I go to Edit and choose Clear option. Look, the area around the line has now been removed. See how simple it is? To remove the selection and move further, let me choose Select, Deselect. But before that, do you see this patch between the legs? Let's remove it using the polygonal lasso tool. The line looks too big, isn't it? Compared to the background, I will have to resize it so that it is proportionate to the background. To do this, I go to Edit and choose Free Transform. Let me resize the line by holding the Shift key and dragging the placeholders at the same time. Perfect! Next, I place it on the correct position on the grassland. Now, I need to show a deer running away from the line. I'm going to follow the same process to bring the deer on the grassland. Let me start by choosing the image of the deer. This time, I use the rectangular marquee tool. Then, I remove the unnecessary background. Earlier, I used the polygonal lasso tool. Now, I will use the magnetic lasso tool to select. I select the tool, change the feather settings. Can you see the magnetic lasso tool is automatically placing anchor points as the pointer moves? This is the best tool to get detailed selections without much effort. Which option will I use to remove the unwanted background? Yes, that's right. Inverse selection and edit clear. Let me now deselect the image. Here, the deer is running towards the line, whereas what I want to show is the deer running away from the line. I can do so by using the flip horizontal option. Let me go to Edit, select Transform and choose Flip Horizontal. Yes, this is giving me the required effect. The deer needs to be resized. Now, see the colors of the lion and the deer. Do they blend in with the grassland? Not really. So, let me use the hue or saturation option and adjust the curves till I get the desired effect. We are done. The final composite is ready. Let me save the image both as a PSD and as a JPEG. See how simple and easy it was to composite images of photographs? So, ready to try some on your own? All the best for your practice.